Okay, now. This one. So this is a very big mineral, and what are the constraints of this big mineral? You can see we have metallic values and gangue, right? Is it okay? Fine. So how you can separate them? Mineral process is a separation process. I told you in the first lecture. We have to separate the gangue from out of the valuable minerals or metallic values, right? That is mineral by physical methods. So how you can? What can be done? Can you tell me? Crushing. Yeah, very good. You need to do crushing and grinding also. So if you crush it, what will happen? They will become small pieces. So why we are doing crushing? Can you tell me? Up to this you understood. You need to crush it and grind it. Grinding means you need to produce very fine powder. Crushing means still some big size will be there. That is the crushing. So you need to crush it. So why you will do? What is the need of doing crushing? To do liberation. This technically what is called to do liberation, to do unlocking, to do release. These are the three terms. Same thing. To do release, to do liberation, to do unlocking. That means I simply can say, initially when I have a mineral or the ore, the metallic values are locked with the gangue values or gangue mineral. It is locked, no? They are locked. So to make it unlock or to release the metallic values, to liberate the metallic values, we need to do crushing and grinding. And that process is called comminution process. In technical that is called comminution. Or crushing and grinding or size reduction process. So that is the first stage in the mineral processing. The first stage in the mineral processing is called comminution technically or size reduction. So if somebody will ask why we are doing size reduction, what will be the answer? To do liberation, to do release, to do unlocking of the metallic values out of the gangue. Fine? It will be a huge, these rocks will be there initially. Maybe this size. You will get mineral of this size, board size. So that means initially your metallic values are trapped in the mineral, you need to release it. That's the first objective, to release, to liberate or to do unlock. And second will be what? If you crush it, what will happen? Everything become powder. You do grinding, everything become powder. But that powder will be having two things. No? Next step will be what? Separation. So these are the main objective. To do release, unlock or liberate, and second stage is separate. Because they will be in the mixture form of powder, no? So you need to separate them. Separation can be done by whatever we have discussed. Gravity concentration, magnetic separation, froth flotation. That is the separation process. Right? And this one is comminution. So comminution and concentration, these are the main objective. Is it okay? Any doubt you have? It is okay, fine. So liberation followed by separation or liberation followed by concentration is mineral processing. Now finally what you will get? Finally you get two products. Liberation then followed by separation. Or I am writing technically concentration. Concentration means you are increasing the concentration of metallic values. Simple. Liberation means release or unlock. Unlocking or release. Fine. And this will be done by comminution process. This will be done by concentration process. What was my question? What I asked? Final product. Okay. So final product, what will you get? you will get concentrate and tannins. So tannins means it will be rich with gangs. If you check the concentration of tannin, lot of gangs will be there. Maybe some amount of metallic values will be also there, but maximum part will be of gangs. If you check the concentration, then maximum part will be of metallic values or valuable metals, whatever you want. Is it okay? So you start with hematite ore, you will end up with what? Hematite, and here you will having more silica, alumina. Is it okay? Again I am saying you start with hematite ore. Hematite ore contains most of the gangue as silica and alumina. That will go into this tanning part. So if you check the composition of tanning, you will be having aluminium and silicon, and oxygen will be there. But if you check here, if you have iron and oxygen mostly, and some amount of silica alumina will be there also. Is it okay? Okay, fine. Suppose I will do only crushing. This is a very important question. I will do only crushing. I will not go for grinding. Crushing means it will still the particle size is bigger, kosher, right? Grinding means it is very fine, some micrometer size maybe. Crushing means maybe of cm size, centimeter size. Listen carefully. Crushing means suppose centimeter size. Grinding means micrometer size. So if I will stop the process in crushing, then what are the products? Like the product here is concentrate form, one is tannins. Then if I will stop it, I will not move to grinding, I will stop at crushing. So is there any other product I can get? Yes, some mineral will be still logged. Some valuable minerals will be still logged with the gang. That's why we need grinding. Listen carefully. Why we need, the question may be, why we need grinding? We need grinding so that we can unlock most of the valuable mineral. Finer will be the size, more mineral will liberate out, valuable mineral will liberate out from the gang. That's why we need grinding. But the problem is what? You have to spend lot of energy in it. Grinding is very energy intensive process. You have to spend lot of energy. Finer size you move, more amount of money you have to pay. Because energy consumption is more in grinding. But crushing energy consumption is less. These are the very important points you need to remember. Right? So, he told the right answer. We'll end up with locked and unlocked kind of thing. Middle situation. So that situation is called middling. I will draw a diagram. This point is suppose middlings. Middlings means suppose this is the mineral now. So you will be having. Okay, let me draw it. Pen. So we will be having. Okay, so this is the situation, see. Otherwise, so this is the situation. Fine. But concentrate means after crushing, but this is after grinding. Fine. Because unlocking has happened already. Everything got unlocked, right? Or released. These are valuable minerals, they release out from the gangue. Fine. And this part maybe goes to the tailing part, and this part will go to your concentrate. Okay. So I can simply say, when we are doing mineral processing, I can get three products. One is tailing, one is concentrate, one is middlings. If we stop at crushing, we don't go for grinding, maximum chance is that I have three products, these three. But if I am going for grinding, I can have two products finally, mostly, tailing and concentrate. That is why we are always going for grinding. Even if it is very energy intensive, we have to. Okay, fine, I will stop here.